I never knew Dartford Crossing was like this. I always thought it was a tunnel that you go through. How have I never been over this? How have I never seen this? Look at the size of that. What a great... Is that guy... He looked like he fell asleep at the wheel. Right, we're currently on the way to Flip and Dip Studio, guys. You know what we're getting done. The much needed plate eliminator for all my Brasileiros. Oh my days, have a look at that. We are up high. Last time I went over a bridge like this, yeah, was me and my friend was leaving a city in Brazil. It was the capital of the state called Porto Alegre. It's where Ronaldinho's from. And a messed up city. You got some good parts, but it is probably the closest thing to Gotham City that you'll ever see in your life. Riding around there was wild. Anyway, getting off track, went over this massive bridge. He was on the back of the bike. We had all the bags on us. It was so crazy. I had a bag on my front, a bag around my waist, clothes tied around me. He had a big boxing bag with him, and then his travel backpack and a bag off the side of him, and we were just on this MT-07. I was like, mate, it'll be fine, it'll be fine. We leave the city, and it's already not even going well. I knew I'd gone the wrong way already, and he goes, I didn't want to tell him because it was just so long. Like, if you go the wrong way in a place you don't know, then you don't know where you're going to turn around, and it's Brazil, you don't know the area, you know it's dangerous around there, and all I can hear is, you're going the wrong way, yeah? Is I can see it on your flipping maps. I was like, yeah, it'll be fine, it'll be fine. Just a little detour. Get to the other side, and yeah, we pull off this road, come off the slip road, and you gotta keep following the road round and go underneath a bridge and come back round and merge again on the other side of the road. And as soon as we pulled off, it was just a slum, like just dirt with wooden houses, handmade on the side of the road, like a town that had been built off wood, like a little neighborhood. They just all built it themselves. And again, I'm in a position, and he's going, he's tapping me going, mate, get the out of here now, get us out of here now. Everyone's just staring at us. It's like, guys, those places there's kids with, like, they ain't even got shoes on, you know, the women are hanging out clothes over this up washing line with like rips in their shirts and whatever. I don't even know what they're not even wearing shoes, and they're just on dirt. There is no road, there's no nothing, there's no foundation to what they have going on, just wood built on top of whatever you got going on. You see that many times, and I'd be driving down thinking, oh, that looks, what's in there? Nice park. You look through the trees, there'd be a big forest. Look into the forest, and it's just wooden houses being built like tree houses, but they're on the ground. Some of them will be raised actually, but guys, different world. Anyway, let's go see Flip and Dip, get sorted out. Alright guys, here we are. Flip and Dip Studio is going to slap the flip plate on the bike, tidy up this back end, so now we can get active, hassle free, paranoia free. And also, if I get chased by bike thieves again, I don't have to worry about my plate being on show. I can just flip that up and I'm gone. Anyway guys, without further ado, let's get to it. Well, so you're scanning it right now?
Yeah, but I've already checked, that fits. So that will fit. Just a temporary.
Yeah, yeah.
And I've even got Honda indicators here. So
oh, nice.
Drop that down a touch, yeah. You can get away with this for now, but you'll have that a little bit open the next part.
And then I'll come back down another day.
Another day. If you want to go away with this right now, it's up to you.
Oh man, I'm cool with that.
You know what I mean? Should be alright.
Yeah. It's going to be the first one listed on the website, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get it for free as well, obviously.
I appreciate that. So is that a thing you do then?
You can see it on the computer, looking it all up. It's like pretty much looks like that now, which is all I need really.
So now you can keep that,
Now I keep that and just import it into the 3D software, and then I can just design around that.
Yeah, that's the complete one. So yeah, oh yeah, there you go. Now you got underneath that lip there.
Super light. For such a quick job, literally 5 minutes, I got a perfect scan. Now just make sure I export it and that's it.
Mate, you just left?
Yeah, on the scooter. We'll just go around the corner here, we'll go see what they're doing.
Yeah. This one's a 125.
Yeah, that looks it.
I really didn't want to let me pass, did he? Well, that didn't go well.
He's got to go back to the studio, so we'll just do a
lap when you go back.
Yeah, yeah.
I've got to drop into a train station.
Let's put them to use then. You know what this feels like? This is like, you know when you get a tutorial in a video game and you follow that guy? Like, it gives you a walkthrough of how to use everything. Alright, and we're back, just like that. Yeah, that could have been way worse. Oh, he said he was bragging about it earlier. Yeah. I was saying that was like, you know when you play them video games and you get the walkthrough at the beginning, you follow the guide.